So we're here now with Carlos Härtel, who's Managing Director of GE Global Research Europe and the incoming President of EIRMA. And the question we have for you this afternoon is, as new President of EIRMA, what do you see as the key challenges in European innovation looking forward, and how are you hoping EIRMA will evolve to meet those challenges?
Now, what I do see is, I think, two challenges actually stand out. There's probably a couple more, but I would take those two. The first one is Europe still is in a mode of crisis, which means a couple of things. It means that budgets get tighter and everybody feels it. It also means that markets don't evolve as you would like. So investments are getting delayed. And that requires us to rethink where we want to place our bets in innovation. Rather than it is into growth and expansion, it's going to be around keeping your existing customers, listening precisely to what they do want, and make sure you have tailor-made solutions that helps them address their needs, which aren't any different than the needs of anybody else who is under financial pressure in these days. So that's the European arena. And you look at the global picture. The global picture, we have economies that are still doing really well, but they are further remote. There used to be economies where we were placing our thoughts, our products, and we were hoping that those would buy them. But the reality is these economies have come to a stage where they do need their own tailor-made solutions. So your R&D division needs to take a look at these needs as well. And in a sense, I guess you have this split world. The demands in a world under austerity and the demands in a booming world with completely new requirements and a new customer base. And managing that well, that isn't easy, but that is a challenge which we'll face, I guess, for the next years to come.
Okay, and how do you see EIRMA evolving to meet that challenge?
EIRMA's doing a few things to address that. I think if you look at what we have discussed and considered during some of our conferences, it's exactly that piece. The one hand side, your portfolio management, the demands from the various ends of the spectrum, and at the same time it is also getting better connected around the globe. So one thing I want to highlight here is the new initiative that EIRMA helped kick off. It's the WFIRA, our World Association of Industrial Research Associations. And that network is going to help us, I guess, get a much better understanding of the various needs in the different parts of the world, and also of the approaches that our partners around the globe, from Australia, Japan, Korea, the US, Brazil, just to name some, are actually using. So I hope that's going to be a great learning exercise. We got to share something, and I hope these companies also will benefit from it.
Excellent. Thank you very much.